In a bold statement reflecting the conclusion of a high-profile legal case, U.S. Attorney Joseph Nocella declared, "Your winning streak has ended. Your luck has run out." The remark came during a court session addressing the culmination of a months-long investigation into alleged criminal activity, highlighting the seriousness and finality of the prosecution's position. Authorities say the statement is directed at individuals accused of engaging in repeated fraudulent and illegal activities that spanned multiple jurisdictions. Of calculated schemes, emphasizing that repeated evasion of justice had finally come to an end. Court observers noted that Nocella's words were delivered with a tone of authority and finality, signaling to the defendants, the public, and other potential wrongdoers that the legal system is vigilant and uncompromising. Legal analysts suggest that such statements are rare, reserved for cases in which the defendants had previously avoided consequences despite prior investigations. The case involved complex financial transactions, alleged conspiracies, and multiple layers of deception. According to prosecutors, the defendants had repeatedly manipulated systems and individuals to their advantage, creating a sense of invulnerability. Nocella's statement marks the point at which law enforcement asserts that the veil of protection and luck has been removed. Investigators detailed the extensive efforts made to collect evidence, including electronic communications, financial records, and witness testimonies. This robust collection of proof allowed prosecutors to build a comprehensive case, demonstrating patterns of unlawful behavior that could no longer be ignored. The legal proceedings included numerous motions, hearings, and investigative operations over several months. Despite attempts by the accused to challenge evidence and delay proceedings, federal authorities maintained that the case was airtight. Nocella's statement underscores that justice had caught up with those attempting to elude accountability. Experts in criminal law note that public declarations like this serve multiple purposes, reinforcing confidence in the justice system, sending a message to similar actors, and reassuring victims that authorities are capable of delivering results. The choice of language, referencing a winning streak and luck, conveys both the history of evasion and the finality of the outcome. Members of the public following the case have responded to the statement with a mix of relief and intrigue. Many are interested in how this case sets a precedent for future investigations of similar criminal enterprises. Observers point out that when high-profile figures are involved, clear messaging from prosecutors serves to maintain public trust in legal institutions. The investigation revealed a sophisticated network in which the accused allegedly coordinated multiple schemes simultaneously. Authorities say this included manipulation of financial markets, fraudulent business operations, and attempts to obscure the origin of illegal gains. Nocella's comments reflect the breaking of this network and the certainty of legal repercussions. Defense attorneys have remained composed, noting that the legal process still allows for appeals and review. However, prosecutors emphasize that the evidence and testimony collected during the investigation leave little room for doubt regarding the defendant's culpability. The statement has also caught the attention of media outlets, social commentators, and legal scholars, who note the dramatic and symbolic nature of Nocella's words. Winning streak implies a history of prior success in avoiding legal consequences, while luck has run out communicates the inevitability of justice in this particular case. This case illustrates the importance of persistence in law enforcement. Authorities repeatedly traced the actions of the accused, monitored financial patterns, and collaborated across multiple agencies to ensure that a strong case could be presented in court. The declaration by Nocella serves as both a narrative conclusion and a warning to others engaged in illicit activities. Experts say that beyond its immediate impact on the accused, this case may influence broader approaches to criminal prosecution, especially in complex, multi-jurisdictional investigations. By emphasizing the cessation of the winning streak, the prosecution highlights that repeated unlawful actions will ultimately face accountability. The courtroom reaction to Nocella's statement was notable. Observers reported a mix of tension and silence, reflecting the weight of the announcement. Legal analysts interpret this as a pivotal moment in which the prosecution asserts moral and procedural authority, sending a clear signal about the seriousness of the charges. Public reaction across media and social platforms reflects the dramatic nature of the statement. Citizens following the case express a sense of closure, acknowledging that persistent criminal activity has finally met with formal accountability. Experts stress that such statements, while rhetorical, carry significant weight in shaping public perception of justice. As the case proceeds to its conclusion, the focus now shifts to sentencing, restitution, and the implementation of corrective measures. Prosecutors hope that this outcome will deter similar actions and reinforce the notion that evasion of justice is temporary. Nocella's declaration serves as a powerful encapsulation of this message. In summary, U.S. Attorney Joseph Nocella's statement, "Your winning streak has ended. Your luck has run out," reflects both the end of a long investigation and a broader lesson about the persistence of law enforcement. The case will continue to unfold, with the global community watching closely as justice is delivered. World Pulse News will continue to provide verified updates, analysis, and courtroom developments on this high-profile case, ensuring viewers stay informed on both the outcome and its implications for law and order.